Rick with the best of everything. Let's take a look at the Anypro Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Anypro 3.5 liter anti-mold humidifiers with super quiet operation, automatic shutoff, and variable night lights. Well, this just arrived. And it's about 10.5 inches high and pretty close to 9 inches across. It comes up pretty easy. Other portion. Okay, let's go get some water. Well, that was a quick trip to the sink. Okay, you can probably hear it filling up its capacity tank. Let's take a moment and look at the directional valve. This has a separate little padded chamber, and this is for your aromatherapy material. Put a couple of drops of your essential oil in there, snap the cap back on. This has the downspout here. It's porous. Okay, now we'll plug it in. And almost instantly it is making mist. Let's get a better look at that. This makes clouds of mist. So the output of this thing is pretty phenomenal. When the tank is full, this could run 36 hours, a day and a half. So you can definitely set that up before you take off, and it will still be producing mist when you get back. Let's turn it up all the way. There we go. It's a soft matte light. It rotates through different colors. Oh, that's nice. I like that. That is just a tremendous amount of mist. I'm going to put this in the living room. I have a more compact device, and it does not produce near that much mist. Maybe the seasoning change, it'll almost be summer. I had the air conditioner on earlier because it was warm. It is dry, very dry in here. And Anypro, 3.5 liter. I really like that one. Get one I did, and I am just darn happy about that.